Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Roblox keeps crashing and freezing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So before anything else, search for store and go to Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox here and hit enter. Now you can go to Roblox and click on get. This is the right way to install Roblox. If you are installing Roblox from any other option, then it will obviously create problems. Okay, so this was the main thing. Okay, now if it doesn't help after that, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Because for this specific software, we need to have all the necessary system files as well. And other than this, you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.